Welcome to the IDOR video. In this video, we'll explore the IDOR vulnerability, also known as the Insecure Direct Object References vulnerability, its various attack vectors, and strategies for mitigating this vulnerability. Understanding IDOR. Before delving into the IDOR vulnerability, it's crucial to understand the difference between authentication and authorization. Authentication serves as the gatekeeper, verifying users' identities, while authorization determines the extent of their access privileges within the system. IDOR is a security flaw in web applications, specifically misconfigured authorization of objects. It occurs when an application exposes internal objects like files or database records based on user-supplied input. Attackers exploit this vulnerability by manipulating parameters to access unauthorized resources, bypassing the application's access controls. Now that we have a basic understanding of IDOR, let's look into some attack techniques and their examples. Parameter manipulation. Take an example of an online banking application where users can view their account details by navigating to URLs containing their account numbers. If the application lacks proper authorization checks, an attacker can manipulate the account number parameter in the URL to access other users' accounts. For instance, changing the account number from 12345 to 54321 grants access to a different user's account, compromising confidentiality. Forced browsing. Consider a scenario where a file-sharing platform is utilized. Users typically access files via URLs containing unique file IDs. In this context, forced browsing occurs when an attacker, without proper authorization, attempts to access files by iteratively manipulating file IDs in URLs. For instance, starting with file 001 and incrementing sequentially, the attacker gains unauthorized entry to sensitive documents meant for other users. Tools. Authorize is a popular Burp Suite extension that enables users to insert the cookies of a low-privileged user and explore all functionalities accessible to a high-privileged user. This tool effectively detects the IDOR vulnerability, automating the identification process. Let's talk about some impacts due to IDOR vulnerabilities. Impacts. IDOR vulnerabilities pose serious risks to web applications, potentially leading to information disclosure, where attackers gain unauthorized access to sensitive data such as user accounts and financial records. Additionally, attackers can manipulate or delete critical data, compromising the integrity of the application's information and disrupting business operations. Furthermore, IDOR flaws pave the way for account takeover, enabling attackers to impersonate legitimate users, hijack accounts, and perform unauthorized actions. Mitigation. Let's look at the mitigation strategies. Role-based access controls. Implement role-based access controls systems to enforce access controls based on users' roles and responsibilities. Assign permissions to roles rather than individual users, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Use indirect references. Employ indirect references or surrogate keys to access sensitive resources instead of directly exposing internal object references. This approach adds an additional layer of abstraction, making it more challenging for attackers to manipulate or guess resource identifiers. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video insightful and informative. At SecurityBoat, we are dedicated to providing comprehensive security solutions and services. From vulnerability assessments and penetration testing to security consulting, we have you covered. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos where we'll delve deeper into a wide range of information security topics and share valuable insights to help you safeguard your digital assets. Thank you once again for watching. Don't forget to explore the SecurityBoat workbook for additional resources and consider leveraging our professional services to ensure your organization's security. Until next time.